Okay, so we're here at the MEOW, and I don't know what the heck this is, but it appears to be a glass, and then there's like a river running through. It's supposed to be like a miniature river, and you can actually walk on the glass over it, and the river seems to be flashing like lightning, and I don't know. I think it's supposed to just mess with your mind. Like this whole place since I just walked in seems to be some kind of a weird way of just messing with your mind and making you see things in a whole new way. Like this is one side of the wall, but then if I go this way, there's like I don't know, like the way the glass looks in at church. Different things on the glass. And then if I go further down this way, there's all kind of warpy things on the wall. Colorful psychedelic things on so far. So I'm at the gift shop right now and looking at the merchandise that they have. It's a little trippy. Yeah, it's a little trippy. I haven't even gone to see the exhibit yet. But these are some of the things they have here at the gift shop. It's very weird. That looks like a slice of pizza with arms and an eyeball. There's a bunch of weird things. I think this is supposed to stand for something. I'm gonna ask my daughter because I'm sure she knows. And then what is this, guys? What is this? I have no clue. And I haven't even gone in to see the exhibit yet, like I said, but these are the stuff, animals that they have at the gift shop. Anyway, I'll make another video in a bit. See how it goes. Like I said, guys, this is TripPpy. I don't know what I'm looking at. I stepped into this room. It said it was an office, and does this look like an office here? No, it does not. I don't know what I'm looking at all. Maybe this is what it looks like inside your brain when you're thinking really hard. Or tripping really hard. I sure do feel like not that I've ever tripped before, but yeah, this is probably what it would feel like and look like if I was tripping. Crazy, everything's psychedelic and crazy. Look at this stuff. Wow. I feel like I'm underwater. Yeah. Well, if you go real deep underwater and you get to see all those different colorful fish and stuff. That's what it feels like. I'm underwater inside of an aquarium. That's what it feels like. Yeah. That's exactly what it feels like. This is what it feels like to be a fish inside an aquarium. That's what I see. That's what it feels like. Alright. Stepping out and going to a different room. Okay, so now I'm in another room and it looks like junk made into art. So if you were to take all the junk in a house that's been abandoned after many years of living there and hoarding everything.
I thought there was a door over here somewhere. There was right back there, but it was locked.
And yeah, made a big pile out of it and called it art. You could probably turn it into an exhibit at this place. Had some lighting and presto, you got art. This exhibit. Check this out. It's like an old bicycle, motorcycle. But yeah, there's that. And there's an old dollhouse right above me. It's like an old dollhouse hanging on the wall. Yeah. Way up there you can see a boat piece, part of it, boat, and a rocking chair. And down. I'm gonna go down. There's a junk car with fluorescent lighting inside of it. This is the inside of a junk car. This is what if you were to make your beat up old car into art, maybe you could make it look like this. And you can make your own exhibit in your own backyard with your old junk car. And look at the headlights. There you go. No wonder. It was a yard sale. That's why they have so much junk. Kind of reminds me after we have a yard sale at Francis' mom's house, which we do about once a year. And then we don't have no idea what to do with what the stuff that we have left over. So maybe we'll make art next time.
Aaron, the manager, since he's like a
We'll see.